Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see Blink Sync Module Lights meaning, solid slash flashing blue, green, red explained. Blink Sync Module lights use blue and green indicators for normal operation, and red and yellow for troubleshooting one. A blinking blue and solid green light means the device is in pairing mode, while a solid blue and solid green light indicates normal, healthy connection to your network. Normal status indicators. If you see solid blue, it means it is starting up. If you see solid blue and solid green, the sync module is online and connected to your network. The pairing and setup mode. Blinking blue and solid green. Ready to be set up and in pairing mode. Now the troubleshooting and error states. First is solid red, which means unable to connect to your network or the entered Wi-Fi password is incorrect. Then, if you see solid blue and blinking green, this means the device has fallen offline and is attempting to reconnect to the previous network. And if you see no light, not plugged into an outlet, or there is a power issue. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.